Okay, so I'm in Word right now, and I have your document pulled up. So here's what is wrong. You've got a heading there, but you've got to use this heading feature up here. So if we highlight that and hit heading 1, now you can, of course, put it so that it's in the middle. You can also, of course, change your font, or you can change your size of your font if you desire, because heading 1 will put it into a certain font. But if you don't use this heading feature at the top, this is just normal and it won't show up as ADA compliant. So if we go down to this one, same thing, and I highlight it, you'll notice that right now it's coming up as normal, meaning it's not compliant. So we'll hit the heading 1 feature again, and we'll again just center it like so. And then I'll go down to your next one, and then hit that heading 1 feature again, and then center it. And same thing with your last one here. Hit the heading 1, and it's good. And I think that was your last one. Now, if we save this document now as is with these new headings in it and put it up into Blackboard, it's going to be green now because your headings have used that heading feature. So hopefully that helps.